When I turned off my lathe last night, I noticed a funny thumping noise right before it stopped. And when I turn it by hand, you can hear it. And as you can see by the piece of tape that I put on the pulley, it happens in exactly the same spot each time around. The noise sounds like it's coming from the area in this bearing in the back. Now what's odd is if I reverse the lathe, the noise goes away immediately. And then if I go back forward, the noise slowly reappears, getting louder and louder. And as you can hear, even at higher speeds, you can hear that thumping noise. I have never heard this noise before in the last year and a half of using this lathe.